Okay, people can hear me. Yep, I think people can hear me. Let's get my camera on, and yeah, looks like I've caught the bounce. Yeah, there I am. Okay, what's going on then? I was just chilling, watching TV. Yeah, daily support. Why do I have these on here? All right. Okay. Cool. Everyone hears me. I had a nice like thumbnail that I was gonna use on the stream with like some nice. Yeah, this one. There we go. There we go. Okay, updating the stream. What is going on in the Discord? Let's have a look. Yeah, I will go and watch the charts in a minute. Just wait. I need to get back so I can see all the questions and stuff. Okay, they're here. I can see what's going on. Oh, I'm gonna be able to hear myself in a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So, all right. Apparently, people are panicking. What are people saying in the Discord? Let's have a look. Ethereum USD into support. That was more of a scalp long. First took profit. This is a good opportunity kicking myself. He said it wasn't going much lower. Right at 50.5. Yeah, like I bet spot. So I've only just seen what's going on here. I haven't really been watching any of this. I heard the news, like the Biden news earlier, which is what caused the stock market sell-off, but it's just retail capitulation. It's nothing. So futures didn't take the lows. I bet Coinbase took the lows. Yeah, of course it did. There we go. Cool. Yeah, Coinbase took the lows. Retail capitulation. Meh. It looks messy, but it looks like this again. The chart. It's just sorry. Let me remove all of this Elliott wave stuff because all of this has kind of been invalidated. Did it take these lows? No. So this is spot. Let's put an alert here. And let's see. Yeah, let's see if that gets triggered while we're watching. So that's our last macro higher low. 36 people watching and only 11 likes. Yeah, we want to get 20 likes. It's only 36 people watching. That's not many of us, but yeah, one day we'll have many more. We'll be in the hundreds up here, which will be good. Okay. So yeah, I'm watching this low at the moment. Anyway, I think what people need to realize is we are in a range. I still see Bitcoin as being in basically this range. What we're at right now is, ignore all that. Let's make it into a full fib. We're kind of at this EQ of this range, and this is on spot. On derivatives and stuff, where I don't think we've gone through the EQ of it yet. I don't think we've gone past the 0.5. But when this is going on, I like to look at what spot price is doing. So this support is just like the halfway point. Both of these, I see all of this really I see as deviations. I still see this as the big range. And in that case, this is the low that we really need to be looking for as like macro market structure. Yeah, so I was always of the opinion that we would come back and test these lows and possibly even come back to 38k. This is where we don't want to end up back inside. Like, as long as we don't end up back inside this range, bull market is fine. Yeah, bull market's absolutely fine. We still have a void to fill here. We could still come down and come down here. We could take these lows, and then I'd be looking just that would be like the best long opportunity like ever for me. But even now, I think what we've had today is just retail capitulating into support. Like, everyone was panicking so much. Like, let's go and have a look at what Bybit's doing again, because that's where we're trading. And these are the lows that we're looking at on Bybit. So yeah, that has come down, has it? Just a minute ago, and taken the lows. Cool. Okay. Daily. My chart is still crazy. Okay, cool. Let's clean up some of this stuff. Let's clean up. I've been doing some yeah, I've been doing some like one-to-one sessions today, so I've got loads of these random things on my chart that aren't important anymore. What am I? Yeah, all this stuff can go. That can go. I guess we could keep that. That can go, that can go. Sorry. I will, that's our range. That can go. Cleaning up my chart. That can go, that can go. That can stay. That can go. I will be talking again in just a moment. Go, go, go. That can stay, that can go. Cool, all right, there we go. So let's have a look. Order interest declining on XO. I guess you mean open interest. Yeah. Let's have a look at XO. Let's just see what's been going on this move down. I bet open interest has been moving down as well. I bet longs have just fallen off of a cliff. I would imagine shorts are fairly flat, and I would imagine open interest has been falling as well. I don't know that. I'm just guessing, because XO's not loading for me because it's probably overwhelmed right now. XO. Let's go on to our what do I want to look at? This one? Yeah. Yeah, longs falling off a cliff. Shorts as well. Coming down, and then open interest. Where have we gone from? 2.6 to 2. So another 0.3 billion wiped off the open interest. Nice. Okay. Let's go to the hourly. Oh, this is where everything broke on the flash crash. So this is like really not even useful. So it'd have to go 4 hour. I think everything broke on XO. On this, like this isn't. Yeah. Oh no, I guess it's okay. Okay. Yeah. What have we got at the lows here? Just bear with me on all of this. I'm still I only just looked at the charts. I'm not paying that much attention to what's been happening down here. I want to get bid ask. I want to see delta. I want to see bid ask. I want to make it. Let's just make it like 100 ticks so we can get $50. There's no aggression here. Yeah. I don't really have a lot to say on this. It's just like obviously if we are going to crash, it's not going to look like this. Yeah, if we are going to crash, it's not going to do this. So we'd have to things would have to get much more aggressive for there to be a major move down right now. I still wouldn't mind a big move down. I'd be quite happy if we do get it. Like 48k and this 46k area would be I'd be really happy if we do get it. Yeah, we've got a really nice naked point of control here on the daily. We've got the cipher, luxury cipher in play. So that will be this one at 48, which is well, we could even bring it down to the 886, which is coming down here. So we could have this, which brings us all the way back down to monthly support. But we could also reverse here on this daily naked point of control. Yeah, I'd say if we do come down, I think we would go to the lows of the range rather than stopping midway, possibly. So we do have this. This would just be so nice. I'm going to look quickly on these. because this does MACD, RSI, moving averages. They do give you a nice indication of what retail is doing. So if we get a close above this daily, then we've got like massive, well, that gives us hidden bullish divergence on everything, on these oscillators. So that's okay. So that shows that there's just been, people selling into support all the way down. But we need to be closing above these dailies. If we get any closes below this daily, then these oscillators get invalidated. We do have our, see, this was always quite likely. Like, it's things I really don't look at a lot, but because you don't need to look at moving averages when you're ranging. You don't need to look at the oscillators when we're ranging. But it's all, I always think it's useful to know where they are. And we've just had this pressure coming down from here, and I don't think at any point in this bull run have we tested this 100 day. So this is 200 day, 100 day, 55 day, 21 day, 10 day. And it's completely normal that we'll come and test the 100. It's also fairly normal that we'd test the 200 during these bull runs. Yeah, cool. I don't think we're gonna crash any further here today, at least personally. I think what we're gonna see is a bit more ranging stuff going on here. Yeah, I think we're probably just going to hang around down here now, which is nice. That's fine. We might drop lower, but I don't think we're ready to drop to 45 yet. We might be ready to drop to 48. But no, I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. This is quite a nice reversal hammer forming at support, and we've reclaimed this daily if we can get a close here. So this is just again like swing failure pattern of these lows, right onto support, takes the liquidity below the daily, which it never got. So I think I'm just like ad-libbing here. I'm just talking. So if anyone does have questions, then just throw them into the chat and I will go over anything. But what I think probably we had is that a lot of people, when you come down here, where would people have been looking for longs? Yeah, we have this daily order block, which is this green area here, but limit orders, and I know me personally, I had limit orders on this daily, which never got filled. And I had limit orders just below, which never got filled. Annoyingly, I deleted them afterwards, but I have just got into a long position around here. And that was just off of the when we came into this space. I think, yeah, where did I enter? So I am long from, oh, what? Huh? That's not right. Yeah, 51,680. So yeah, within this area anyway. I had a few that were in this area, so I think I did get some limit orders filled. Never mind. Let's have a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum comes back into, yeah, that's on the back test of its previous high. We'll see how that can hold. We have what's going on here? I drew this as support earlier, that random line which continued on. That's nice. Yeah, if Bitcoin crashes, this is our support on Ethereum. Litecoin came into resistance again. It might come back down to support again. Litecoin's fallen into support as well. Is there anything else that like moved really nicely today? Oh, VeChain, what are you doing? I guess that was to be expected. Okay. Off crypto, are you in the long? Yeah, it's like from here. I am. It's a very, very, very small fraction of my portfolio. I also have some alt exposure here. I'll just have to see how it's doing. Like I haven't been in that many positions the past week. I've just been scalping a few, day trading on Bitcoin and scaling into alt positions. I've got a nice DOGE short, which is still doing good things. So my DOGE short's doing well. Some of my longs are, that's keeping me happy. Yeah. So what I don't want to see now, this is what would get me more bearish again. So what I don't want to see is, now that we got this bounce back up, I don't really want to see us start like falling back into here slowly and coming down, because then I think we will get a big drop off. If we come back down and can start just holding around here, then that's okay. But I don't want to see this start falling down more than it has been. Like, that was a nice bounce. This area for me now should be holding. Yeah, I wouldn't really want to see us come back into here right now. Otherwise, I do think we could be seeing a further move down. Volume at the lows. Very little volume. Like, barely anything. Oh, wow, actually, compared to the... I bet compared to this, yes, not a lot of volume here. A little bit of divergence. Nothing there. 1 hour. Yeah, I'm not looking too much at this. 4 hour. 4 hour looks good. Hold the DOGE short. Yeah, I will hold that Doge short, I got a really, really nice entry on that. So that's one of the, yeah, that Dogecoin short is one that I will be holding for a while unless it gets stopped out. There's a weekly NPOC at 49,300, and then next daily NPOC at 48,600. Is reason you're only considering the daily NPOC? No, I haven't. To be honest, I haven't looked at the weekly ones. Let's have a look on this one. Let's have a look on the weekly. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, what was it? 49,300. Exactly where that is. Yeah, that's nice. Oh god, we also have the magic 38k, which imagine if we get that. Wow. We also have one up here. 63. Okay. Developing months. Below the value area low. Where's the point of control yet? The week's really narrow. Okay. Previous month. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so this naked point of control here would probably get a reaction because it's a very, I think probably as it is on, I'd imagine it's on any tick size that you want to look at. Yeah, same for whatever. Okay. Are people getting all these messages from these bots? I need to sort out the Discord, but yeah, I'm not very good at it. Jaffa, if you're you're watching, I will. I just had a question about the exo templates. I will be making those available. So yeah. Yes, I will be making the exo templates available. I've kind of been working on them a bit and just making sure that I have the templates that I use. I want to go through them with certain people first. I'd like to go through some of these with luxury. I'd like to get his ones and start to look at that, and just so we can have templates that everyone can use and everyone's seeing like the same stuff. So obviously people can still use their templates from everywhere else, but I want to get some templates that that just relate really well to the kind of trading that I like to do and that others within here like to do. So yeah, give me, like, what I really want to do is do videos on all of this as well. I don't actually. Here's a question for people. So what we're going to be starting to do like educational content soon, and that is going to bring like some more videos, some PDF stuff. We want to just keep them like really nice, easy to understand videos so that everyone can understand exactly what it is that I'm looking at when I'm looking at these charts, exactly what it is that I'm looking at when I look at these TPO charts, why I choose the sessions that I do. So originally I didn't like, I wanted to kind of go through the I wanted to kind of go through the basic stuff first, like things like your Fibonacci levels, your support and resistance, and all of that. But I get the idea that most people know all of this stuff already, so there's probably not a whole like that much point in me doing these videos. So yeah, would people like videos on this TPO stuff and the EXO charts that I use? If you would like those kind of videos, then just comment in the YouTube and give me another like, although you can't do it if you've already liked the video. Yeah, so Georgette saying it should be paid service for videos on TPO ExoChart. So yeah, what I would do with the more advanced modules and with supplying all of the exo charts I use and tutorials and everything for that, that would not be like open public videos. Okay, so I would have them just for people within the community. I don't know yet how I'm going to figure that out. Like, obviously it's going to take a lot of time to build those videos and to make those videos and to work with Luxury and anyone else who is involved on creating that content for everyone. But yeah, I'm not going to start going like, oh, you got to pay me like $200 a month or something like that to have them. It's not going to be like that. It will just be, yeah, if I'm going to make them, I just need to figure out something that is fair for everyone. And there are ideas, but I'm still figuring all of those out, and I'm still talking to various people about how best to work things, because as I keep saying, I do want the core part of this community to remain like free and open to everyone. But this also takes a lot of time. Like streaming every day, videos every day. It's tiring, man. It's good fun though. I am enjoying doing this. Yeah. So beginner stuff will be free. Beginner stuff I'll just make available on the public YouTube. I'll probably just cover like the typical retail nonsense. And then as we get more advanced and as we get more kind of bespoke into the way that I like to trade things, that's when we'll do things a bit differently. But again, like I say to everyone, if anyone wants like one-to-one at the moment, if anyone wants any like one-to-one tutorials or anything like that, then please do drop me a message. I can provide you with all these templates if we're doing one-to-ones. I'm perfectly happy with that. So yeah, give me a message if you'd like to do more of that. And as well with Luxury, he's doing coaching as well and one-to-one sessions. Cool. Okay, let me just had a message. All right. So typical, isn't it, that I miss the whole dump. Bitcoin bounces just as I go live, and then we've been in like exactly the same price the entire time. So I think I'm going to just quickly scroll back on the video. I'm going to look at the exact price. So Bitcoin, when I first went live, was at 51,690. 51,690. We are now at yeah, 51,590. So we have moved $100 in however long I've been online. Yay. Toros Crypto requiring a Twitch subscription would let you get monetization of premium content up off the ground quickly. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do Twitch. Yeah, Twitch is... I don't think I'll do Twitch unless I run into problems with YouTube and stuff. But I have been talking to someone who is like a member within the group. He's got like a load of expertise on building websites and things like that. So we're gonna have some things. Yeah, I have a little bit of assistance with that and building like what the next stage of this will be. I'm hoping to get like a website done soon, even if it's just like a basic landing page and stuff, and there can be some content and things on there. So yeah, exciting times. Okay. I should really have been like compounding some positions here. Do I see Ethereum I like the look of, but was Chris saying oh, I need to pin the Discord link. I hope this link still works. Here's my Discord. Come and join. Pin. Let me just click that a minute. Does it still work? Yeah, it does. Alright, great. It does still work. So anyone who is not already in the Discord group, come and say hi. Have we had anyone join since I've been live? We have. Welcome, Junaid. Welcome. We had a few bots turn up again earlier. I'm trying to sort out this like landing page thing. Yeah. What's going on? What are people looking at within the Discord? This looks nice. these charts are really interesting. I need to speak to you, CMF, because I really like the look of this, and it looks so clean. Like if this is just, yeah, it looks really nice and clean. Yeah, so here's some local resistance we'll have if we do get a bounce here. We touch 5,500. Yeah, this is all. Everyone's a bit too shocked to have been posting stuff. Just a word of today, like how amazing were yet again these previous day levels. Like how perfect was this? So today has been until fucking Biden came along and made his little announcement, which shook everyone out the market. Like today was such nice trading. What did we have earlier? So we had these lows, and what was I saying last night? I was saying if we sweep these lows, I will long that all day long. So overnight, I had a bunch of limit orders filled. That was really, really, really nice. I woke up just in time to take some profit up here. Then what happened? We come into our golden pocket support. Really nice. And this was happening again while I was making the video this morning. So if anyone hasn't watched the video from this morning, it was quite, yeah, we got some quite nice like live stuff going on. I was originally looking for like a bounce here because we had our VWAP. But after that reaction failed and we got that rejection, then this gave a really, that was like, you could see just the volume that came in here. So this was a really nice trade. We get acceptance back into our value area and we come right up to the dollar, into our 4-hour naked point of control, into our previous day point of control, and into our golden pocket Fibonacci. So that was so nice. Yeah, that was like perfection. And then what happened? We came back down into our previous day value area again. And this is what I was again saying in the video this morning. So what I had said, I'm just going to do this because it was fun. Today's trading was really fun and it was really, really easy. We had this low from our golden pocket straight into the previous day point of control. What I said on the video again this morning is that this is a really massive area, so I would expect it to get a rejection back down into the value area low and then get a bounce. The bounce happened and then Biden opened his mouth. So don't blame me for for this 80% setup not completing. It's not my fault, I promise. It's not my fault. I compounded my long here and then I just got stopped out of that, which is really annoying. But yeah, it was good fun. If Biden didn't open his mouth, we would have done this and it would have been really nice. I'm confident we would have done that. Yeah, where are we now? We're looking good. Should we still complete the CCV? Imagine if we still complete the CCV to... Oh! Imagine if we complete the... Imagine if we complete the 80% setup today. Oh, the 80% setup. I hope YouTube doesn't ban me for what I just said. Or I hope I don't get dislikes for what I just said. Isn't it annoying how, like... Yeah, you can't trademark a a trading idea that's been around since the 1970s. That's all I say. It's the 80% setup. Right. I am talking nonsense this evening. Why has volatility just stopped? It's like I come online and everyone just... No one wants to trade anymore. We've got to change market structure here. Crypto Prince, don't say that word. Don't say it. But yeah, so we've got 2 hours left until daily close. What we would have is value area low, value area high. So let's assume now that our value area low is going to be 52538. 52538. So we'd have to get back up here. I think in 2 hours, I think getting back above there, like this is for it not to be valid, so I'd rather we stay below here. I think this will be resistance, so hopefully this will take us down. And then we can maybe start the new day around here. And then we can consolidate, and we might get acceptance back in. And then we might have another trade on in the morning. So we'll see what happens with that. It looks like 52538 is going to be an important level for tomorrow. Oh no. I say there it's around, so 52526 now. It's just moved. It's going to keep moving because we're getting volume at this low. It's going to keep moving. You know what? Scrap that. I don't think we're going to get an 80% setup tomorrow, because I think this is going to become our point of control eventually today. Like there's a lot of volume here. I'd be surprised if if we don't get enough volume for this value area to move down into price. So yeah, scrap that. I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're going to get more volume at the lows here that's going to bring the value area down. But you never know. You never know. Chris, did you compound because we jumped off the golden pocket? Do you mean... Oh, right. No, this is when I was saying when I compounded my long here. This wasn't because of like the golden pocket, although I do think we had this, didn't we? Going on. Yeah, we had this. This was just coming back into our previous day value area low, and I was thinking that we'd go bang, bang, bang. So like point of control, value area low, value area high, which is what it did yesterday when we had point of control, value area high into the low, and then back up again. So I thought we might do something like that. But I got most of the profit that I wanted to. Johnny M. Cool, it's gonna rain. me just check something. Analytics. Cool, that's better. Okay. We've got 46 likes, which is good. That's good. We have 44 viewers right now, which could be better. And yeah, if any of the 44 members are not in the Discord, then it is pinned to the chat. It is free and open. Come and join us. What's going on here? I'm saying it now. Asia will reverse us here. New York setting up for Asia reversal. Yeah, when New York dumps, Asia buys up the lows. Previous day EQ always seems to give such a nice $150 bounce off the first touch. Yeah, let's have a look at our PDEQ. Let's stick to this chart. I like this chart. Let's lose the naked point of controls. Let's add in, because this one doesn't have it, our previous day EQ. I scrolled way too far. That was nice, wasn't it? So let me just remove our developing day. Oh, if only I had this on my chart. We all know who traded this. We all know someone who would have traded that earlier today. Just change the tick size, damn it. So yeah, previous day point of control, straight into it, got a rejection, then into our previous day EQ. Got the rejection. Previous day value area low, did not hold. Even though we had a naked point of control here as well by the time we got back down there. Yeah. We have no naked point of control at the lows, so that is good. We'll be creating a naked point of control above our daily, so that is good. Okay. It's quite... Well, how does this compare to yesterday? Wow, 11 billion volume today compared to just 5 billion yesterday. Nice. Thanks the soy for liking the video. Big money are done selling. They are finished. These lows got bought up really heavily. Heavy buying at these lows, which was nice. And retail capitulated at the lows. Okay, this is perfect. This is what I like to see. What did I say? Retail capitulation. What were retail doing? Here are all of our low, our small fish. Not to say anything about small fish. I don't trade with massive position size myself. I'm not going to pretend that I'm trading with millions. But yeah, look, buying up all the way down, buying. Buying. When do they capitulate? Right at the lows. When does the big money stop selling? Right after this lows. So as soon as we change this local market structure, this is when the CVD from the larger players, the delta from the larger players, really changed up. So yeah, that was like proper capitulation at the bottom there. Not a lot of there's not a lot of volume down at these lows. It just seems that everyone gave up. Okay, zoom out. 15-minute chart. I'm getting myself like a green screen soon and a proper light. I'm doing the proper YouTube thing. It's gonna be good. So then my face will be like floating in midair or whatever. Actually, I could do this, can't I? I've got this thing. It's probably too dark for any of this to work. Is this working? No? No? Hey, there we go. I'm a banana. I hope that this actually changes on the stream. Oh no, it's not working. Oh, what's going on? There we go. I'm a banana. Yes. All right. This is when everyone leaves the stream. Where else can I be? Oh. Oh, it's not working. No. Yeah. Seriously. Okay, let's go over some. It's okay as long as you are not a butterfly. All right. Is that a bet, or is that a dare? Maybe I should become a butterfly. Moon. I can't find anything interesting. All right. Oh, what's this? Is this gonna work? I think it's because like it's too dark in this room. Oh God. Hello. The arms move. Oh, the arms don't move. Whoa, 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 whoa! Disco, disco. We're all just watching Bitcoin doing nothing. Oh, that reminds me. If anyone remembers what I was saying on the stream that I did a few days ago, and this is a really like common misconception with agri-trade, that a lot of people, like the majority of people I know that traded off of this, it used to be like common knowledge that anything with black text was a position closing and anything with white text was a position opening, but I was wrong on that. That's not the case. It's just the contrast with the background color, I believe. So yeah, I didn't realize that. So it doesn't actually mean anything. These could be positions opening or closing. There's not really any way to tell. So yeah. Yeah. This one's weird, isn't it? Here's me drink my water through my eyes. Oh, that one's weird. Yeah, Senti, that's what I realized. I did wonder how Agra could get that information. Yeah, but clearly they don't. The only thing that they get is the alert once there's a liquidation. That's the only data they can get. I'm a potato. I feel like it needs some music, but the stream will get banned if there's music, unless I'm just listening to it. How's my view count? Everyone's just leaving the stream now because I'm talking nonsense. Okay. I don't think we're gonna get any price action here. Someone's Yeah, let's look at. Oh. So every time Bitcoin dumps, Sol just goes crazy. It's so strong. Reef, oh wow, Reef did its thing of actually reclaiming these levels, or trying to. That weekly's just been holding so strong every single time. Serum. What is it? Why is it all the FTX stuff that's just pumping? Why is it all the Sam SBF, Sam Bateman? Yeah, that guy. Sam Bankman, yeah. It's all his stuff that's just pumping. Acro, come on. How can we take Luke seriously when he's talking TA with his spud potato image? Should I change it? I'll do something serious. Oh, it's not gonna work. No, that one won't work. That one won't work either. I think I've gone through all the fun ones now. I'll go back to being a banana. Do we want banana? Do we want potato? Do we want Kermit the Frog? Do we want... No? Nope. Nope. Banana. Anna, what are the best NFTs to invest in? I don't have any NFTs myself. I don't invest. I invest in like NFT projects. I can't even remember like off the top of my head like what are like the NFT projects and stuff. I just like charts. Like I'm not there are certain low caps and stuff that I go in on the fundamental side of things, but not really NFTs. I think that the NFT hype's gone for now. Yeah. I'm looking at the kind of what's coming after the NFT stuff at the moment. Yeah, like NFT stuff's clearly that had its time in February, March. Because I'm pretty sure this was an NFT coin. I only bought it because it's my name. But yeah. Engine, if that's NFT, or is it? It's more gaming, isn't it? But I think that's, yeah. Chili's is NFT. And that's probably coming down loads as well. Yeah, it was February, early March, wasn't it? That was the NFT hype. But yeah, if anyone wants to turn me into, if anyone wants to turn Luke Banana Face or Potato Face into an NFT, then go ahead. What's this one? Oh, yeah, I like this one. This one's cool. I like this one. I should have this on every stream. This is my thing now. Yes. What's this one? Yes. Just playing around with the camera whilst Bitcoin is like, if this is surely the best way to watch a Bitcoin like dumping and everyone losing massive amounts of their net worth. Yeah, if ever there was a I hope this is helping people while all of our portfolios are crashing. Looking at me making a fool of myself on YouTube is hopefully helping the situation. Okay, Anna. So my next YouTube video, which provided Bitcoin doesn't lose 50k, I think if we lose 50k today, I'm just gonna have to focus on that tomorrow and maybe release this over the weekend. But what I wanted to do tomorrow was to do a video, a YouTube video that's like my favorite alt positions for like spring, summer 2021. So I wanted to focus on like low and mid cap stuff. Just because it makes quite a nice change to like the serious TA stuff, just to go in and start looking at fundamental things again. So there are projects that I like fundamentally. They're in this list. So I don't know which ones are going to be my like ultimate picks yet for investing in, but there are some nice charts with some nice projects. Yeah, like there are charts that are just in accumulation that look pretty good. Yeah, basically that. Wow. What happened here? See, I quite liked Easy, but clearly other people didn't. I'm so glad I sold this up here. That is just awful. I'm so glad I sold that nonsense while it was up here. Yeah. Am I deep? Hi, how's your day been? Yeah, my day's been good. yeah, I've had a really good day actually. Lots of like progress within the community. I quite enjoyed doing that Ethereum video earlier. So if you haven't seen my Ethereum video, then check that out. I have started looking into website stuff and things like that. Yeah. What else? Is this gonna work? A lot of these filter things don't even work. Oh! Oh no. Should I just, this is like really laggy, this one, but maybe I should just maybe I should just stream like this. And then see if it will change my voice as well. I need to get a better computer with a better GPU for this. That's scary. Alright, I'm gonna lose that one. Let's do another one. I'd definitely get more viewers if I just stuck with that, wouldn't I? Oh my god. No, let's lose that one. Oh dear. Oh dear. Alright, I'll be a cowboy. Oh god. Alright. I am gonna just Batman. Nope. Whoa. No, that's these ones aren't working. I don't know why a lot of these aren't working. Maybe they just take ages to load. I'm just not waiting long enough. Now I'm Kenny. You kill Kenny. Oh, you told me on Discord about Elliott Wave 4. Yeah. So my Elliott wave count, I've only really got like a very basic one. Oh, what am I doing? I only really have a very basic count on the Elliott wave for Bitcoin. And I'm not quite sure. Let me lose all this. Off you go, off you go, off you go. Okay. So this, I'm going to go back to the, let's go back to the Viking. So this has been my Elliott wave count, which we have like a series of so we did have our 4 within here. Oh, I have to remember where we're going. I've kind of scrapped this for now. So we had our 5 and then it led to a consolidation. We broke out of the consolidation, then we lost it. So if we go below here, then that invalidates. Well, no, this is the 4. So yeah, we don't want to be going below the 4 if depending on where I start this from. So that's at 43k. I do have my like extended 5th up here. But we do have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is just thrown everything out on this Elliott wave stuff for me. I think I need to rethink this. Yeah, it's not the best. What was it? It was up here somewhere, wasn't it? Sorry, I can't even remember what. Mentions. Have I missed any other mentions? Here we go, yeah. Can you consider wave 4 ended? Are you starting wave 5? I have some notes I'm checking online, but I didn't manage to understand what's happening on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, like, so this, if this was a consolidation, I had like a 5th here, and then we go into a consolidation. So our wave 4, if we're speaking of this, then we would have gone A, B, C. Let's just do it about this. So A, B, C. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That looks like a 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, like this kind of stuff is outside of my outside of my account that I had, this doesn't make sense to me anymore. From like an Elliott wave, it would be a 1, 2, 3 here, like a larger one, ABC. Then we could take out. Just realized I'm still a Viking. She got the B. Let me see. This is a flat as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we did take out the 4. So I'm just talking to myself. Can you consider the wave 4 ended and we're starting wave 5? Yeah, I think I'd have to move my count on for that. So if we're going to go into wave 5, this wouldn't work because I'd already had a 5 here, and then we're starting another 1. Or we would have been starting another 1. Yeah, I need to look into the Elliott wave stuff on this chart. Okay. What else is on here? Oh wow, is this gonna make me? Nope. No, okay, that's not saying anything. What is that even supposed to be? Freaky. Okay. Can you look at a coin named Exceed Me? Solid project, mix of DeFi and NFT. I guess it's on here. No, CoinGecko. XED. Oops. It's not gonna. Yeah, fundamental stuff like rank 491. Yeah, I'd have to look. And crypto and NFTs playing games. The website doesn't look too good. Like, it looks kind of basic. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. I like gaming NFT stuff doesn't interest me too much. So yeah, I don't have a lot to say on that one. Leon, you just asked if we were going up, like just as we're going down again. That's a shame. Right now, no, we're not going up. We might do. We might like. Yeah, let's go back to my. Let's go back to. Oh, my mic's been really low this whole time. That's better. Yeah, this is the back test of the daily then, coming up here. You do not want to see this losing this level. Like I was saying earlier, you just, yeah, this has to hold now. If we're going to be seeing any higher. Yeah. Oh, right. I've gone like, didn't realize I clicked another one of these. Oh, it is on there. Yeah, crypto though. Yeah, the chart looks good. Chart looks absolutely fine. Like it's not had a cycle yet, so like the chart for me looks very much like quant, which I'm really bullish on. If you see a sideways chart like this, then it's pretty low risk. There's not really any TA you can do at this point on this. You just accumulate when it goes to the lows, like when it has a retrace. Just if you like the project, just buy it in little bits, dollar cost average into it, and then see if it has a market cycle, see which way. Like eventually this is going to resolve one way or another. You can never be sure which way it's going to resolve, but that at some point you're either going to do this, and at that point you don't really look back, or it's going to fail and you do this, and then you start to look at like a what you often see after that is like one of those ICO reversal things, and then you start to come back up, as long as it's a decent project. So there have been plenty of good projects that have gone the wrong way initially, like this being one of them. I just picked up some scissors, and yeah, this was going through this accumulation thing going on, and it did come up, and then it's fallen back down. Yeah. Jason T. I assume you've not been watching this stream since the start. I don't know if you are on our Discord or anything like that. But now's not the time to be taking shorts. If you're opening new shorts here, then that's just silly. We might drop another 2k. We've got our support down here. If we do drop another 2k, then fine. That's fine by me. But really, if you're shorting here, where's your invalidation? Considering that the daily is holding for now, the only time I would be interested in shorting is if we come take these lows, we back test the daily here, and then we can look further down. So I would possibly look for a short if we do something like this. But right now is not the time to be shorting. Yeah. Okay, let's go back onto XO. I don't know if Jason's a troll in the chat trying to tell me that I'm a newbie, or whether you're a newbie yourself. Nice to have some trolls in the chat though, if we do have one. If we do have one. I don't know if you're on. Yeah, I'm sure you're only messing around. It's cool. What I need to what I'm really bad at doing is like recognizing, because everyone's got different names on the yeah, that's right. I was like, are you some guy coming into my YouTube calling me a noob? What's going on here? Yeah, what I need to do is realize who's who, like from Discord. Everyone's got different names on the YouTube, so I can never, apart from like Senti, yeah, Senti's still Senti, and then a few other people are their own names, but yeah. All right. Yeah, this is nice, Javi, if you're here. This trend line with our pivots. The pivots work well today. Again, they're not something that I trade. Yeah, I don't trade the pivots, but I am aware of them. Let's bring up something a bit different. Let's actually have a look at something a bit different here. Because we're all used to like such a certain way of charting. But I do want to look at some stuff. This hasn't been really giving anything. This is more interesting. Okay, this is more interesting. It's the first time we've been in here for the whole bull run. This is going back into like old school TA. I've not looked at this kind of stuff for a long time. I was aware we had the TD9 at the top here. We've not really got anything on here. The weekly, nothing. The monthly, nothing. Okay. Sydney market open. Nice. Let's go back to my normal. What the 4-hour EMA is doing? Oh, nasty. Yeah, this is the worst Bitcoin's looked all year. I think we all know that, but yeah. Now we're moving up a bit. Right. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin's holding this area. I think it's midnight here. I think I'm gonna go to sleep. Gordy M, I think it's time for a beer, mate. Tomorrow is Friday. I will have a beer on stream tomorrow. Yeah, I'll definitely have a beer on stream tomorrow. So I think I will leave it at that. Is there anything I can sign off with? Oh, blurry face. What's gonna... Whoa. Our daily value area low is still hanging out up there. So we might have this set up in play. Oh, XO is being weird. Yeah, depending on how this last hour goes, I still do think that let me just see if I want to hold this overnight. We're down here. Yeah, I still think our value area... See, this might become our point of control, though. It's really close. I think at any point we could just see the value area jump down here and just take away a lot of this noise up here. It does look like it's basically there. So I do think within one more hour, we'll probably see our value area low drop down still. If it does remain the same as it is here and the point of control stays the same that it is here, then clearly that doesn't give us that 80% setup tomorrow, but we might have another one. That might be like a third day in a row for having this. Tomorrow's daily update sheet will be interesting because we've now got some new naked pointer controls to look at above us. We have some new other things to look at. And there we go. XO under maintenance. I am a banana. We are changing market structure. The whole market capitulated tonight, and we chilled out on a stream and made funny faces. So yeah, I'm feeling like the market is still okay here. I will probably hold on to my long overnight. Do I want to compound Litecoin? Yeah, maybe I do want to buy, like, my Litecoin is in such nice profit anyway. Yeah. The other trade I've got open is Uni. I didn't know I had a Uni trade open. No, I don't want to add to Uni. I'll keep that as it is. Okay, right, that'll do me. I am going to sign off here, and I will see you all in the morning. So yeah, thanks for joining again, everyone. Yeah, I hope I hope again, like, no one got too shaken out by all of this today. Yeah, it was quite a big move actually when you look at it. It didn't feel like it was a big move, but it was. So yeah, I will speak to everyone tomorrow. It seems like everyone's doing good. We have our targets for lower if this does happen overnight. So we have here, and let's not even look at that because this will bounce. 48,600, and we will have our resistance, which will be at, well, realistically our resistance is back here, isn't it? Now we're looking at like 54 will be resistance now, because that's what's been holding for a while. So 54 resistance, 48 support. Let's see where we are when we wake up tomorrow. Cheers, guys, and yeah, see you tomorrow.